Hi, it's James the Forager here. Welcome to today's wild flavoured dinner, and we're cooking up something truly exceptional. Barbecue satay St. George's mushroom. It's an absolute flavour bomb, and you can do this with nearly any wild edible mushroom. Things like boletes would work really well, other agarics would work really well as well. First, we start by making the marinade and the sauce at the same time. In a jar or bowl, add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of chopped wild garlic or 2 cloves of garlic chopped finely, and 1 tablespoon of ginger. I've used the jar stuff here because I'm a bit lazy, but fresh and diced would work fine. So we're going to tear the mushrooms up so they're quite chunky and pour half of this sauce over them to marinate them. We'll leave that for about an hour at room temperature. For this one, I used about 300 grams of St. George's mushrooms. You can use more or less. So we start by skewering them after they've been marinated. We skewer them between peppers or onions will work really well. It holds the mushrooms onto the skewer. I didn't have any of those bamboo skewers, so I just took a stalk of rosemary from the garden, peeled off the leaves and used that as a skewer, which was nice, added a bit of extra flavour. So next up, to the barbecue. We want to get this nice and hot and barbecue these bad boys for about 4 minutes each side. They'll start to toast, crisp, caramelise and catch on the fire, and that is the flavour. But that's it. We chuck the satay St. George's mushrooms on a plate, serve the rest of the sauce with it, and we can use it to drizzle over the top, or we can use it as a dipping sauce, and it can go on a table as a little side dish itself, or chuck it on top of some rice and some greens, and you've got it as its main dish. That's it.